Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Suhas Survase and today's date is 29 December 2021. In our previous video, we discussed about the strings introduction. Now, in this topic, we discussed on the why string is immutable and what is string constant pool. First, we see about what is string constant pool. This string constant pool is also called as a string literal pool. The string constant pool is a special area in a heap area which is used to store the literal variables. As we know that there are total 5 types of memory area in a Java, that are first one is a method area, second one is a heap area, third one is a stack area, fourth one is a PC register, and the last one is a native method area. As we know that the SCP, that is a string constant pool, has a special area location in a memory. That is in Java 1.6 up to Java 1.6 version, the SCP is located in a method area. After that, from Java 1.7 version, the SCP is shifted to the heap area. In a method area, the SCP has the constant value, that is constant storage, but in a heap area, the SCP can be vary according to the requirement. Consider an example, that is string s is equals to new string in a round bracket with a double quotes welcome, as seen in the picture. As we know that when we create a string object with a new keyword, it is gets stored in a heap area, which is assigned by the variable s. At the similar time, the copy of that object is stored in a SCP for the future use, so that we can say that the SCP is used for the memory management. Now, we next move on the why string is immutable. First, we understand the concept of immutability. Immutability means the data once provided, it cannot be changed further. The concept of immutability is used for the string object. That is, when we provide the values to the string object, it cannot be changed by further. Now consider as a string, that is string s1 is equals to new string in a round bracket with a double quotes welcome and semicolon. This string object is gets stored in the heap area, and the object of that is gets stored in a SCP. When we consider another string, that is s2 is equals to Java, and we concat s2 by the method concat s2.concat s1, that is s2.concat Java, then it becomes the welcome Java, but it cannot change the values of the s1 directly. Further, that it creates an object, that is welcome Java, and stored in a heap memory without changing the values of the s1. That means the values of s1 did not change. Further, that another object is created in a heap area which is get assigned or point out the s1. It shows that the values of the string objects cannot be changed. That is, the string objects are immutable. The string immutability is only applicable for the string object, not for the literal strings. That is, when we create the literal string which is gets stored in the SCP, it will be created a space or the memory in SCP. After that, when we create another literal string object with the similar name, then the S2 will point out that another variable also. That is, there is no need to create another memory allocation in the SCP. So that is all about the today's topic, and thank you.